Welcome to my channel. Zmodo Wireless WiFi Camera Setup. Setup using Zinc app. Download and install the Zmodo app from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and register for a free Zmodo account. Plug in and power on all cameras near your router for initial setup. Log in and press in the upper right corner. Select Add Device. Select the Zinc connection method to connect your camera. Your camera will be added to your Zmodo account. Tap tick icon to proceed. If you're setting up multiple cameras at once, tap plus icon to add additional units. Follow the on-screen instructions and select Tap here to begin setup to go to the Wi-Fi settings page on your smartphone. Select the network named ZMD_SAP and connect to it. Return to the Zmodo app page and select or enter the SSID and password of the Wi-Fi network that you want your cameras to connect to. Note, the Wi-Fi name and password are case sensitive. Tap tick icon to proceed. If you see this screen, the app will connect your cameras to your Wi-Fi network. This may take a few minutes. Once it's completed, please skip to step 11. If you do not see this screen, please proceed to step 8. If this app interface appears, please press tap here to select Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi network that your cameras will connect to, and connect to it. Return to the Zmodo app once your mobile device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. The app will automatically search for your cameras and connect it to the Wi-Fi network. This may take a few minutes. Name your cameras and set a password for your kit. Tap to proceed. Your cameras have been successfully configured. Your cameras will be automatically grouped together in the device list. Thanks for watching.